Are you using MSIs to supersize your business? I want to say yet. Are you using MSIs yet? What the heck's an MSI? An MSI is a multiple stream of income. And most of us who have businesses use MSIs inside of our business, meaning we sell different products and services. We have different product offerings that we provide to people so we can reach more customers. But in addition to that, do you have other ways that you personally are earning income, or that your business is having different ways of earning income or bringing money into the products and services? There's a lot of different ways, and I'll share the 7 main categories of multiple streams of income, and they apply to our businesses as well as to us as individuals. I've actually done every single one of these, in some of them in a really small way. I would love to do more royalty income, which is my current favorite, because I create the product or service once and I earn money over and over and over again off of it. It is from our intellectual property, things that we create. So I've created different frameworks. I've written some books. I've created different things. There's a whole lot of different projects in my book of projects in the background that I would like to create, that would create legacy income for my family someday, after I'm gone, of course. So another form of income is our earned income. What's your job? What's your job? The second type is, of course, for this group, business income. You might have a job and your business, or you might, that's what I did my entire corporate career. In addition to having my corporate job, I had a side gig business. Actually, I had several side gig businesses. One was an Italian food manufacturing business. Did fireworks, sold a bunch of different products and services, did some network marketing on the side, tested a lot of different income streams and waters, because I wanted to see what was right for me and what wasn't right for me. Third, dividend income is income that we earn from stock investments. Rental income, some bonds I think pay dividends as well. I'm not really a bond gal. There's crypto and all kinds of things now too as well that people can invest in. Rental income is from real estate. Lots of experience with that one. Capital gains from selling assets for a profit. So I sold one of my businesses for a profit, had to pay capital gains on that. Interest income is from lending or savings. So you can become like a bank if you have enough money that you can lend to other people, and then they pay you interest for using your money. And then I said royalty income. So why the heck would we want to have multiple streams of income in our business and in our life? Well, number one, it provides financial security. If I know that I only have one product or service and I'm making it, and I have a hard time getting some of the raw materials, and that causes a slowdown in our production, and that's my only way of making money in my business, I'm going to face financial challenges. And we're going to have that roller coaster. A lot of businesses are seasonal. So certain times of year, they're really popular. Other times of year, not so much. Think of all the products and services that sell in the month of December, or October, November, December for Christmas. You know, Black Friday is a huge booster and actually keeps a lot of businesses in business. Is that something you want to depend on? What if we have a bad year? What if we have a pandemic, etc.? It also helps us to accumulate wealth, both for our businesses and for our personal lives. It offers freedom and flexibility, and I am a huge example of that. I learned in my corporate career that I had the freedom and flexibility to say no to things that I didn't think were right, or to make decisions based on what I believed in and my core values were, and stay in alignment with that, because I knew that if I lost my job because I stuck to my guns and stuck to what I knew was right, I would still be okay because I had another source of income. So there'd be food on the table, the kids would have shoes, the house payment would be made, etc. So there's that financial and freedom, flexibility, security, and increased resilience. I tell you what, it's a lot easier to be resilient and bounce back if you are not totally devastated, if you have an illness or something happens, or if, you know, some life happens all the time. And it's just a better way, another way of being prepared. How do we come up with multiple streams of income if you don't happen to have any yet? Number one, assess your skills and resources. What do you have in your organization? What kind of skills do you have in your organization? I guarantee you have incredibly untapped resources in your organization right now. Even if it's just you, there's untapped resources in you that you could tap into to create multiple streams of income in your business. Step two, start with one complementary stream. Just one. So if you have a design business, and it's a business. Maybe you offer certain types of services on the side, or maybe you offer different types of services that you wouldn't have considered before. Multiple offers, having different offers for different groups of people. Maybe you target different audiences, etc. Again, that's still under the umbrella of your business, but it's a way to add complementary streams within your business. If you only have one thing that you do, one thing that you sell, and one way to make money, that's very dangerous and subject to outside influences. Choose the right type of stream for you and for your business. Is it active income? Is it freelancing? Is it online teaching? Is it consulting? Is it gig work? Is it something that takes a lot of your personal resources or resources in your organization to provide? If it is, maybe that's not your best next stream of income. Semi-passive is creating a course, teaching a YouTube or launching a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing. A lot of online internet things are semi-passive because you can set them up once and then just tweak and manage them, but they pretty much will run for themselves. Passive income is investing in stocks, real estate, dividend funds, things like that. And all of us can do that with our excess resources, right? Once you get that emergency fund set up, you got 3 months worth or 6 months or whatever, 12 months, whatever your comfort level is, you can then take that excess capital if you've got a cash flow business and start investing that and let your money make money for you. So let's look at a couple of people's examples of how they went and did this. We got a stay-at-home mom. We've got a full-time employee and real estate investor. We've got a teacher turned course creator. I like this one for most businesses because most businesses and most business owners have expertise in things that they don't even think are expertise. And they can create those, they can turn those into a course or a YouTube channel or share. You can just document your journey on YouTube, depending on your business. Target your industry, your niche. Teach people that are just getting started how to do what you've done successfully, and you can monetize that. So there's I think that multiple streams of income are just limited by our imagination. So the most common ones that people will start as their next stream of income are freelancing, depending on your skills and abilities. Print on demand, like t-shirts, mugs, reports. Books are now print on demand. You can write a book and sell the book one off. When somebody orders it, it gets printed and shipped to them. There's so many things like that I'm sure I don't even know about because I don't really do print on demand except for with books or manuals and things. Investing is another common one because you can just start with index funds or mutual funds, and you don't have to go through brokers and things anymore because there's so many online opportunities. You can do digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, and there's tons of different platforms online and on our cell phones for that these days. You can do affiliate marketing, meaning you promote other people's products and services. I know people, individuals, that have created a business out of affiliate marketing, meaning selling other people's products and services. And there's a ton of affiliate marketing related sites online as well. Again, do your research so you don't get schnookered, I'll call it schnookered or defrauded. But there are a lot of opportunities to add or promote other people's products and services that are complementary to your business that can add an additional stream of income for you. Real estate investing, again, if you don't have the money to invest or create a stream of income like rental property income or commercial property income, then invest in REITs, things like that, funds that are finance or real estate based. And then YouTube or podcasting. You can start a podcast. Guess what? You know a lot. Or a YouTube channel. You know a lot that other people would like to know just because you have your own business. So that is our topic for today. Any questions about this, hit me up. Like I said, I have a little experience in each of these categories. Some very little, some a lot. I've got a lot of experience in real estate market, real estate investing. I've got a lot of experience in businesses, and I've got a lot of experience in coaching and consulting and corporate America, etc. So, and adding processes and systems to automate once we create those income streams. So any questions, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I'll of course see you tomorrow.